Hi there, it's Reid from Moran Living. I'm here today to show you around Rockpoint in Blackrock, which is a brand new development of 91 apartments, 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms, priced starting from 2475. And for further information, please follow the link in our bio and subscribe to our channel. This is an example of our 1-bedroom apartments at Rockpoint. In terms of size, they range from roughly 50 square meters and are available from the ground up until the 4th floor, with prices starting from €2,475 per month. Every apartment at the development features outside space, whether it be a terrace or balcony. They are all A rated, and in terms of the heating, it is electric heat pumps. Moving into the 2-bedroom apartments at Rockpoint. The 2-bedroom apartments range from having 1 or 2 bathrooms. They all feature 2 double bedrooms, and in terms of size, they range from the late 60 square meters up until around 80 or in some cases 90 square meters. In terms of price, they start from €2,850 per month, upwards of €3,500 for one of the larger upper floor units.